Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create push notifications with Firebase. Enter Firebase website, which is link is in description. Sign up and log in. Click get started, then in new page choose add project. Here enter project name, I write bot games project. Press continue, don't change anything in this screen and again press continue. Now from this section, select create new account, enter a name and press save. Choose your location, check this box and create project. Now your panel is ready, choose Unity from here. If your game is for iOS, check this box, and if it is for Android, check this box. And if it is for both of them, check both boxes. Open Unity, switch your project on Android, and wait. Now in this section, enter package name, and in this section, enter app name. Press register. Here it gives you two files, which you should download them and add them to your assets. Click next. Now you should download Firebase SDK. Again click next and done. Now here select messaging from engage section. Choose this option. Well, here it gives you two options. Blue pill is Firebase notification message, which is for sending notifications. Red pill is Firebase in-app message, and with this option you can send message to users within the application, which is very practical and it is new. Choose blue pill, then press create. Here gives you a panel which you can with it send notifications, but before it, open Unity. Open downloaded Firebase SDK. It have two folders. Cause my .NET version is 4, I open this folder and import Firebase Messaging after extraction. Then it shows you a pop-up. Press enabled and for resolve, wait. Create a script called, for example, FBS and open it. Use Firebase extensions and Firebase messaging libraries up here. Now remove useless parts. It has some shit codes which you just copy and paste it from Firebase website that I'll put them in description. If you use codes from website like me before here, write firebase.firebase app. Now drag this code towards an object like camera in your first scene of game, for example loading. Build it and open Firebase panel again. Select your project, messaging, new campaign, then notification. First part is title of notification, second part is description, third part is of notification icon address, and fourth part is name of notification. Here you can select notification target, which is Android or iOS or both. This part is for time of sending notification, for example now or anytime you want. Next part is conversion event, which is for labeling your notifications. I guess it will be used for notifications statics later. Actually I don't have any good informations about it. If you know, I would appreciate if you could comment your informations. Next part like previous part is optional and you can leave it empty. It's done. Your message will be shown to all application users. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe us.